part 2, same video. Alright, that's what I was saying. Yeah, this one doesn't come off, this one pops on and off. Anyway, I was saying, well, pretty neat, huh? Looks like actually loaded coal. Yeah. Here's my Union Pacific caboose. I got at the hobby shop. I bet you can tell because there's a price tag still on there. Anyway, there's a car I replaced with this. Well, I replaced this with the other car. It was the Union Pacific and CN&W car. This one, right here. Alright, Union Pacific we will deliver, and CN&W. This one, the connector keeps going low, and then on my other extra rails, it keeps busting off and stopping the train. So I'm getting rid of this. It was for $12, but I'm just going to keep it for the decoration now. Same thing for the auto rack car. And yeah. Anyway, yeah. Well, anyway, goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope the closed captions won't go weird on this. Here, I'll show you something on YouTube. My closed captions on my CN&W C40-8. 8514 HO scale. Let me show you that. Turn the volume loud, a little louder so you can hear. Come on, do your thing. Hang on.
Because otherwise, Grandpa and I are just going to take Lucy for a walk.
I think it's better off for you to take Lucy for a walk.
You don't feel like going to Baskin Robbins?
No.
Okay, well.
Alright. So I'm going to click Google Chrome.
What are you doing?
Showing everybody how funny these closed captions are in this video. Remember that video we watched? Those captions were funny. It didn't even show the right thing. Alright.
Okay, well.
If I just press the Y, it'll go directly to YouTube.com.
So, Mac, we're thinking about taking Lucy and walking to McDonald's to get some sundaes. Do you want some soft-baked cookies or something? An apple pie?
Yeah. How about a pack of soft-baked cookies and an apple pie? One apple pie. Once I got 2 apple pies from my nice mom. Okay. Just gotta go to my channel right here.
Okay, so you're just gonna stay here, bud?
Yep. Give me a pack of soft-baked cookies and an apple pie. Check these out sometime. I have 2 views on the front view. Back view. Back zoom, and 6 views on my actual video. Here's a little info on this. Well, muted. guys, no flared grills. This is the same thing, except it has flared grills. See? Yeah. And as you can see, it says SC70M down there. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Anyway, where was I? 194 videos. I went to Minneapolis, like, for spring break. I was on spring break from school. I'm 12. I turned 12 on April 8th, my birthday. Now, where is this video? I gotta find it somewhere near here. I published stuff, a bunch of stuff. Published stuff. There it is. There it is. Alright. Alright. Look at these closed captions. Look at this. Hey guys, welcome back to MC Roger Guys Playlist. What I have here is a new C40-8 BMW. And this is number 8514, I guess. That's true. You can see it better here. Here. Right here, okay. It's pretty neat. It doesn't have DC, heat, or sound. Funny, huh? I got it from the, of course you know, Springfield Friendly Hobby Shop. Springfield Finally Hobby Shop. Can you believe that? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. There's like 2 videos in one. It's just one. Yeah. Just part 2. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it.